We'll just start the recording like that.
So how was your night? Not good. Everyone get all fancy though? Yeah. Yeah? Definitely. Oh, where am I going? Yeah, boys! Yo! Mana?
You say you like the wind blowing through your hair. Come on, roll with me till the sun goes down. Texas sun. Say you wanna hit the highway while the engine roars. Come on, roll with me till the sun goes down.
Oh, yeah.
Texas sun. Texas sun. Caressing you from Fort Worth to Amarillo. Come on, roll with me till the sun dips low. Texas sun. Texas sun. Texas sun. When I'm far from home and the cold winds blow, stuck out somewhere, the folks I know. 'Cause you give me nights and you keep me warm. Wanna feel you warm, can't wait to get back there again. Texas sun. Texas sun.
Yes, sir.
Texas sun.
Oh. Go here.
Texas sun. You say you like the wind blowing through your hair. Come on, go with me till the sun goes down.
Oh.
Texas sun. Texas sun. Baby, you're so gorgeous.
Did you try and grab my leash?
It got caught on my hand. I shouldn't even try.
Oh, that's funny. Oh, it hurt. What were you about to do, man? Alright. Oh, there we go. Hey, what are you going in for a kiss with Eric? Oh, there we go. Warm. Give me warm. Is it even warm? Oh, oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, that is actually so nice. Oh. Oh yeah. Is that good, Eric? Oh. Yeah, good. Good. Oh! Oh, that's so good. Oh, yeah. Keep that going. Oh, taking warm shivers. Bro, it's great.